malakas na hampas ng paddle, ding shots ng pickleball, at sigaw ng tagumpay. Ito ang masayang eksena sa Carworld Incorporated Pickleball Tournament and Open Play sa Ground 002 Pickleball Courts ng Vista Mall sa City of San Fernando nitong Sabado, August 1. Kabilang sa mga labis na nag-enjoy ang magkaibigang sina Lane Lopez at Luis Rutao.
So, it's our way na mag-distress sa work. Ako from government siya. From government din. From government to...
Saka maganda sa health.
Maganda sa health. Nag-enjoy ka na, gumaganda pa yung health. We joined yung tournament kasi first of all, kilala yung Carworld. And nung nalaman namin Carworld will be hosting it, sobrang excited kami kasi nag-expect kami na maraming activities, maraming freebies.
Ang tournament ay paraan ng Laos Group of Companies o LGC upang masuklian ng tiwala ng kanilang mga valued customers at ng komunidad kasabay ng pagdiriwang ng 48th anniversary ng Carworld.
This is one way of Carworld giving back to its loyal customers for 48 years. It's actually a celebration of friendship, of teamwork, of camaraderie, and of all the awesome people that continue to patronage Carworld. Si Carworld, kung ano yung gusto ng mga clients namin, yun yung ibibigay natin sa kanila. And everybody now is into pickleball play. That is what our customers want and that is what we are giving to them now. Celebrating our 48 years with all our customers.
Bukod sa kasiyahan at kompetisyon, may maganda ring advocacy at hangarin ang pickleball tournament ng Carworld.
Well, actually, this one, yung proceeds dung tournament, part of it will be donated to LPL foundations. Kaya at least yung mga mga scholars, alam naman natin marami tayong scholars sa LPL foundations to support them.
Certified pickler at loyal customer ng Carworld na si Angal City Councilor JC Parker Aguas, kaya't ikinatuwa raw niya ang imbitasyong makapaglaro at makatulong.
Alam mo lahat naman ng iba't ibang activity nag-i-involve talaga si Carworld, not just in the sports, meron pa silang iba mga charity events. So, congratulations Carworld for your 40th anniversary, and sa lahat ng mga nanonood dyan, tara, pickleball na!
Isa ring mahilig maglaro ng pickleball si Abby Ingal na hindi pinalampas ang pagkakataon na makabanding ang pamilya habang nakakatulong pa sa advocacy ng LPL Foundation.
Actually, I brought my kids with me. Yung cousin kasi ng husband ko is working with Carworld. So, she invited us. Siguro happy kasi in my own simple way na makakatulong ako sa mga foundation ng Carworld.
Kaugnay niyan, malaki ang pasasalamat ng pamunuan ng Carworld sa mga naging katuwang na sponsors at customer para sa tagumpay ng tournament.
Maraming salamat po to all our sponsors dito sa tournament ng Carworld Pampanga in celebrating our 48th year anniversary. Without you po, this will not be possible and successful. And to all our clients po and players who supported this event and our valued customer po. So next time po, please supportahan niyo po ulit ang Carworld Pampanga.
Samantala, marami pang abangang pakulo, promos at special packages ang Carworld sa pagpapatulad ng selebrasyon ng tinaguriang The Home of Mitsubishi.
May mga special discount at saka deals at saka packages na i-offer namin yung anniversary package ng Carworld. Kaya starting today, may mga like for example, yung mga all-in low down payment at saka free fuel subsidy. Kasi alam mo naman yung fuel cost natin is patas na ng patas. Kaya nga may fuel subsidy kami sa mga units na under Mitsubishi.
Kasabay nito, ipinangako rin ng kumpanya ang mas pinalakas sa serbisyo patungo sa kanilang nanalapit na Golden Anniversary.
For 48 years nga, we delivered excellent customer service. And then, going 50 years na yung Carworld, mag-golden anniversary. Kaya nga, we anticipate itong 48, 49, tsaka 50 to deliver more customer services at saka at the same time Siyempre, yung ano natin, looking back ahead, ano na, kumbaga yung we anticipated itong mag-50 years na si Carworld. Maganda, maraming packages, maraming promo tayong ilalabas.
In-announce din ng Carworld ang nalalapit na pagtatapos ng kanilang Buy and Win promo kung saan maraming papremyo ang ipamimigay nila sa raffle na gaganapin this August 17.
The first prize will be a brand new 2026 Expander GLX automatic. And then second prize will be a trip for two to Thailand. And then third prize will giving up an iPad, and then may mga other prizes ng mga rally art products. And then more raffle. This will be on August 17 dun sa natin birthday ng founder ng Laos Group, Levi Pilao. Excited yung mga customer natin. Siyempre, it's a 2026 brand new Expander GLX automatic. Yung grand prize.
Ako si Jody Dizon Mercado para sa CLTV 36 News.